Mummy's here. Your butt, Ruby.
First time out of their outside, full stop. So they're a bit nervous, a bit scared, reacting a bit to the slight breeze that's out here.
Okay. Hello, puppies. Hello.
So you don't think they're going to venture into the world? Not in a hurry?
Alright. Come on, Cindy. You're normally the outgoing one. Put you down. Who's that? Peaches? No. She's Peachy. There you go, Peaches. Where's Peaches? Hello, beautiful. And Winston. Master Winston. There you go, Winston. And Bora. Oh, beautiful. There you go.
There you go, they're getting used to being out. Except Lucinda is leaving. Where are you going?
Pop up, Lucinda. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. Good puppy. Hello, Aura. Hello, Peachy.
You have to watch what they're going to try and eat.
You're coming back, Peachy, are you? Peaches? You're coming back, you beautiful. Yes. Yes. Hello. Hello. You said nobody's been feeding us. Oh. Oh.
No, not like 3 times a day. Thank you. They look starved. Not.
Yes.
Oh, they're meant to be outside. Ruby. Thank you. Hop out of there.
Come on. In the grass, guys. Get used to the grass. Feel the grass. Oh, look at that. Winston's eating the grass.
No eating grass, Winston. Oh my goodness, now they're getting the hang of it. Doesn't take long, does it?
No, only a minute. It only takes a few minutes. You've got a big boy monster coming.
Sasha.